Hi! In this video, I will show several options on how to extend the background for a photo. I will show two different ways on different pictures. This will give you a better understanding of how these methods work in different conditions. Making a copy of the layer. And on the first layer, select Crop tool. Hold Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC to expand to the desired size. In this case, I will use the Full HD 1920 pixel size. Select Object Selection tool and select our object. Wait a few seconds for Photoshop to process. Our object is highlighted, and we can see that our selections need refinement. To do this, select the Quick Selection tool and the brush with the minus sign, which removes unnecessary parts of the selection. Let's save the selection of our object. Click on Select in the menu and choose Save Selection. Give the selection any name and press OK. To cancel the selection, press Command+D on Mac and Control+D on PC. Now let's expand our background. Click on the Edit menu and select Content Aware Scale. This is where we make sure that the name of our saved selection is selected. Hold Option on a Mac or Alt on a PC to expand background. We see that what was in our selection is not changed, and the background is slightly stretched, taking into account the algorithms of Photoshop. Consider the second option, how you can expand the background of the photo. Select the Rectangular Marquee tool. Select the necessary empty area and slightly grab the area of the photo. In the menu, select Fill. In the Content section, Content Aware should be selected and press OK. The result may vary. You may need to make several attempts to get better results. Now let's compare the results of both methods. It's up to you to decide which one to choose. At this point, you can see some repetition noticeable to the eye. Next, I will do the same operations, but with different pictures to demonstrate what results can be obtained under different conditions. This will be interesting. Here is the situation where we need to select two objects so that they do not change when the background expands. If the video was useful for you, like, subscribe, click on the bell, it makes me happy and inspires me to new videos. Leave a comment and see you in the next video.